Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Raleigh here. I'm thinking about changing the name of my channel. Do you think that is a good idea? Let me know. Where in which I will just stop saying Fish Keeping Jamaica and I will probably use another name or something. I know that Fish Keeping Jamaica is a name that a lot of persons know about, but I'm just thinking about it. But anyway, that's not what the video is about today. Today the video is about holes are like bedrooms. So I have some chromite cichlids, right? And it's a pair. And I've showed you already in probably about 4 or 5 videos about chromite cichlids from the egg to the actual swimming of the of the fries. Okay, today's video is a little bit different because today's video I shared you a video where in which a pair of chromite cichlids was placed into I call it a dirt backyard dirt substrate, small little pond with a few plants in it. Um, and I saw something unique in it, so I thought that I would just share it with you. Okay, now not every not every cichlid actually likes the whole idea of a substrate. Some cichlid will actually like angels. They will actually lay their eggs on the plants and on the side of the container or the aquarium. And chromite cichlid on a whole totally different. Now, what they do, they will lay their eggs onto a hard surface. After laying the eggs on a hard surface, whenever the eggs becomes larvae, what they do, they dig holes and they actually literally they take up the larvae from where it is and they actually place larvae in holes. So these holes in the pond that you're seeing now in the container, I know it might look a little bit hazy, a little dusty, but you should be able to recognize the holes, right? These holes, probably about 10 or 12 of them, right? All these holes were dug by the chromite cichlids, right? In an effort to actually keep their fries in one little space, and they will take turns. The male and the female will take turns guarding the holes, right? So today I might see the larvae in one hole, and tomorrow I might see them in another hole. They literally take them up in their mouth and they place them in different holes. It depends. I don't know the reason why, but this is just a habit that I've actually observed over the past couple of days, right? So today they are in this hole in which I where you actually see one of the fries are at right now. You can tell the larvae in the hole by the hole actually looking a little bit dark. And if you look really good, probably you won't be able to see it anyway because the pond is a little bit hazy. Or if you look really good, you will see like the hole have a little glowish like as if somebody breathing and you can see their chest moving. That's the larvae actually moving, right? So the holes are practically like bedrooms, right? Where in which the chromite cichlids they build should I say they dig their holes and they actually use it as a mechanism in which they protect their fries. I hope that this video was of interest to you. I know that a lot of persons on YouTube don't really fancy chromite cichlids. They are like, to me, in a sense, if you get a good pair, they can be like convict cichlids. They breed profusely. However, they are different in the sense that they can be within a community aquarium, aquarium with like live bears, other small fish. The only time they really get aggressive is when they are actually breeding, right? Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Thank you very much for stopping by. Bye bye for now. Still thinking about that name change.